YouTube app sound is delayed or lagging. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first step is to head over to your settings. Then go to apps. Then search for YouTube. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache. Next, go to Play Store. Then go to search and search for YouTube. See if you have the latest version of YouTube or not. If not, simply update it to its latest version and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.